Belly fat, often considered just an aesthetic issue, is a significant health concern. It consists of two types: visceral fat and subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat surrounds vital organs like the liver and intestines, posing serious health risks. It's linked to type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Subcutaneous fat is the layer just beneath the skin, affecting overall body weight and self-esteem. Belly fat can result from poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, and genetics. Reducing belly fat is crucial for overall health, metabolism, and physical appearance. A healthy waist circumference is a key indicator of a healthy body. As people age, the risk of accumulating visceral fat increases, making a healthy lifestyle essential. Addressing belly fat with regular physical activity and balanced nutrition promotes well-being. Combining exercise with a healthy diet is crucial to effectively reduce belly fat. You cannot spot reduce fat. Overall weight loss helps in reducing belly fat. A balanced diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is essential. Reducing processed foods, sugars, and saturated fats significantly impacts belly fat reduction. Consistent hydration and mindful eating contribute to better digestion and weight management. Pairing these habits with regular exercise makes fat loss more effective and sustainable. Cardio exercises like walking, running, or cycling burn calories, while strength training builds muscle mass. Select enjoyable and sustainable exercises to ensure consistency. Tracking progress through measurements, rather than weight alone, provides a more accurate depiction of fat loss. Integrating healthy eating habits with regular workouts improves health and vitality. A proper warm-up routine is vital, especially for beginners. Warming up prepares the body for exercise by increasing heart rate and blood flow, reducing injury risk. A well-structured warm-up should last 5 to 10 minutes, including light cardio and dynamic stretches. Begin with light cardio exercises like jumping jacks or high knees to elevate heart rate and circulation. Incorporate dynamic stretches like torso twists, leg swings, and hip circles to loosen joints and muscles. Proper form during warm-up exercises maximizes benefits and prevents strain. Beginners can modify exercises to suit their fitness levels, like marching in place instead of jumping jacks. Engage in activities that increase heart rate and prepare muscles without causing fatigue. A comprehensive warm-up sets the stage for an effective, injury-free workout. Ensure movements are controlled and the body remains aligned. The core of any belly fat reduction plan is an effective workout routine. For beginners, choose exercises that are effective and manageable, requiring no equipment. Start with the plank exercise, holding the position for 30 seconds per set. The plank targets the entire core, building endurance and stability. Beginners can modify by resting knees on the ground to reduce intensity. Next, perform bicycle crunches, 15 to 20 repetitions per set, engaging obliques and lower abs. Incorporate mountain climbers, combining cardio with core strengthening. Standing knee raises, 10 to 12 repetitions per leg, engage lower abs and improve balance. Conclude with side planks, targeting obliques and enhancing core stability. Each exercise should be performed with attention to form, ensuring efficient muscle engagement. After an intense workout, cooling down is as important as warming up. A cool-down routine helps transition the body from high activity to rest, preventing dizziness and aiding muscle recovery. Incorporate static stretches to relax muscles, improve flexibility, and reduce soreness. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on major muscle groups. Begin with stretches for the abdominal area, like the cobra pose, followed by back and leg stretches. The goal is to lower heart rate gradually while allowing muscles to recover. Consistency is key to long-term success in reducing belly fat. Incorporate this workout 2 to 3 times a week, complemented by a healthy diet. Results take time. Persistence and patience are essential. A consistent exercise routine and nutritious diet lead to physical changes and improved mental well-being.